Lily, and this video is going to be how I curl my hair. I actually cut my hair a few months ago, if you guys remember that video. So this is short to me, but this curling technique could work for any hair length at all. This is kind of how I did it when my hair was longer, but a little bit of adjustments. So I'm going to explain to you how I get this kind of messy, tousled, straighter at the ends waves more than curls. So my first step with any hairstyle, whether you're gonna curl it or straighten it, is a good shampoo and conditioner. I feel like this makes all the difference, and lately I've been using these Verb products. The shampoo, especially when I use it, it smells like I'm at the salon. It smells so freaking good. I'm literally obsessed with it. When I use this, even in the shower, I can tell a difference. My hair feels so soft and like smooth. And then for conditioner, this is really weird, but I always flip my head over and put my conditioner on my ends and like literally stand there with my head upside down for a couple of minutes while it soaks in, and then I turn the water on cold and wash it out, just because I always get scared of getting conditioner on my body so I don't break out. But I've never broken out with this one, and it also smells like that same like salon smell. It's really good. And this is their Ghost collection, but they have a bunch of different collections. This one is like my favorite though because it smells so good. Then when I get out of the shower and my hair is still a little bit damp, I put in heat protectant mainly on my ends. I just put it in my hand and rub it through, and then I blow dry my hair if I do. Sometimes I let my hair air dry. It really depends what mood I'm in, but this seriously protects your hair from the heat when you're blow drying it, because I don't like to blow dry my hair that often, so I feel like safe when I use this. And then I move into the curling process. So since I shower at night, I usually dry my hair that night too, and then in the morning I'll curl my hair before I have to go somewhere. And in that case, I'll just brush through it and then section it off about halfway, so just above my ear, and then put it in like one of these little clips so it's like loose and out of the way. And then once I section it off, I start curling it. And lately I've been using a 1/4 inch curling iron. I just got this from the grocery store. It's literally a Conair, it's nothing special. But when I first cut my hair, I started using a 1-inch curling iron because that's what I used when my hair was long. And I felt like it made my curls way too round, and they came out way too big around my head, and it was just too much. So obviously like the barrel, if it's this big versus like that big, your curl is going to be a lot smaller on this one. That's why I like using it with shorter hair, but you can use whatever curling iron you want. It's still the technique that we're doing. So my technique is taking the piece of hair, I take pretty big chunks just because the smaller you use, like the more little ringlets it's gonna be. So I like to take bigger chunks so it's like bigger waves. And then I'll wrap it around probably 3 to 4 times, leave it on for like 20 seconds. And then when I pull it off, I run my fingers through it like immediately to make it looser. And I know this doesn't make it last as long. If you let it cool, it would probably last longer for curls, but I want a looser look, and I just do it that way. So then I just go through the whole process of doing that on my whole head, and it doesn't take that long because I'm taking such big chunks of hair. It just goes by pretty quick. When I'm all done curling, I like to finish off with like an oil or serum to smooth down any frizzies. So lately I've been using the Verb Ghost oil. It's like a serum, but it is an oil at the same time. It's a little bit thicker. I just pump a little bit into my palm and rub it in between my hands, and then run it through my hair, and it really smooths it down, and it smells just like the shampoo and conditioner. I think it's like the moringa oil in it. It just smells so fresh and so good, and I feel like it really takes your hair to the next level. It like smooths it and makes it nice. So when I'm all done, to really lock in the entire look and lock in that moisture, I like to use hairspray, and the one I've been using is also from the Ghost line from Verb, and it's just their weightless medium hold brushable texture. When I put my hands through my hair right now, I can't even tell there's hairspray in it, but it like locks it in, which is so nice. I don't know how it does it, but so good. So yeah guys, that is all the steps I take to get this curly look, and I hope you guys try it out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!